The average reading speed for a student is 200 words per minute with a comprehension of 60%. But what if I was to tell you, by the end of this course, I'll be able to increase that by 200%, by at least 400 words per minute and a comprehension of 80%. Doesn't sound like a lot, but you'd be surprised. My name's John Harry, and I'm the founder and CEO of StudyFast. And I'm excited to show you the techniques, tricks, and methods the #1 speed reading expert in America and the UK have taught me. Plus the unique StudyFast methodology, the FAST strategy. But before we get to that, what will you need for the course? First of all, you'll need time. You'll need approximately 20 minutes for each chapter. Take your time with the drills and the videos, and take breaks, about 5 minutes, and I'll explain the reason why. Next, you'll need a stopwatch of some format. You can use your phone or the watch that you have. You'll then need a paper and pen to use to note down your reading speeds as we go along and take notes using mind maps, which I'll detail in the further chapter. And finally, you'll need practice material. You'll need a book or paper that you can lay flat in front of you, so then we can do a lot of the drills coming up.